this is how to find your user ID and your channel ID of your YouTube. So let's get started our video. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your YouTube and then open your YouTube Studio. So you have to just make sure that you are at your channel dashboard on your YouTube Studio. Once you are here, you have to just click on the settings option in the left menu, and now here just click on the channel and then click on the advanced settings. So here you have to just scroll down at the bottom of this advanced settings, and at the bottom of this advanced settings you will find an option of the other settings. In the other settings, the first option is manage YouTube account. You have to just simply click to open it. Once you click on it, it will open into a new tab. So here you can see that's the step of the interface of my account. So here what you need to do, simply click on the advanced settings in the left menu. This is the last option in this list. So once you tap on it, you can see here the first option is the user ID. You can just click on the copy in order to copy this ID, and the second one is the channel ID. So yes, this is a simple way to find your user ID and the channel ID of your YouTube channel. By using this method, you can easily find any user ID or the channel ID of any account. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.